This is the main passenger elevator at the Coronado Apartments in Shadyside, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Look at this, it's a beautiful vintage old Haughton L-series elevator. Look at this, black buttons. They nailed the switch so you can't turn the fan off. They want it on, go up to 8. But look at this, beautiful vintage Haughton elevator. It's really dark in here. This is the main elevator. Whoa, this thing is fast. This thing is truly amazing. This is really rare. Look at this. Newer Haughton fire service. Wow. Here at 8. Whoa, this thing is fast. Classic lane, 3 doors. Go back down to 1. Door close button does not work. 88 phone. And that's where the phone would be. Whoa. Case fire use stairs. There's your sign. Pretty basic, really dark cab. Fake wood grain. There's your annoying fan. Sadly, the fan's on. I can't turn it off. Haughton, look at this. Here, back up 1. And this is one of these really old ones where the door doesn't close unless you place a call. So this is the service/freight elevator next to the main passenger elevator at the Coronado Apartments in Shadyside, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Look at this. This one also has a Haughton L-series call button. But since this is a service/freight elevator, it has a manual outside door and an inside gate. Look at this. It beeps for some reason when the gate opens. Don't know why. But look at these fixtures. Go up to 8. Look at this old gated elevator. I don't know why it beeps though. Look at that. Fire service was added later, newer Haughton. Look at those old fixtures. Wow, this thing is truly amazing. I think that floor only opens up on the first floor. You're at 8. We'll go back down 1. Case fire use stairs, 88 phone. Very nice old cab, old Haughton elevator. Fire service was added later. Look at that. Old gate. There's a wire there for some reason. This thing's much slower than the main elevator. Look at this. Here's your stop switch, light, and the alarm bell. Look at this. Haughton elevators. Here, back at 1. Oh, this one doesn't beep. The gate does self-close. This one is a swing door.